candidate number. Just take it. Alright. So, as this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. Well, my name is Satvinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110963. So, can I ask your full name?
My name is Darshdeep Singh as shown in ID.
Okay. How can I address you?
You can call me Darshdeep.
Alright. So, Darshdeep, where are you from?
I am from Ludhiana. It is a very big city and it is also called a smart city because all kinds of facilities are available here. For instance, hospitality, proper education and big shopping malls for shopping.
Okay. Do you like your living place?
Please pardon?
Do you like your living place?
Yes, of course, I like my living place.
Anything that you dislike?
One of the dislike that I do not like is the pollution and huge traffic, because in pollution people face a breathing problem and in traffic people waste their lot of time to reach at their destination.
And what kind of jobs do the people who are living in your area do?
Most of the individuals who live in near my area like to do business.
Okay, Darshdeep, let's talk something about tiredness. What kind of things make you tired?
There are various kinds that I feel tired when I study long time and when I do some work a long time, then it feels me tiredness.
And what do you do when you feel tired?
I listen music because it relaxes my mind and gives some energy to do work.
And whom do you usually talk when you are mentally tired?
When I am mentally tired, I usually talk with my parents because when I share my feelings with my parents, I relax. I feel very relaxable.
And do you also like to share your sorrows or the reason of your sadness with your friends?
Yes, of course. Sometimes I share my reason of tiredness because by sharing the tiredness, I feel very happy and I forget all over the tiredness.
And if we talk about the enjoyment, do you enjoy more in a large group of people, or you like to live alone, or you like the company of few people?
I like to enjoy with the group of people because in group I can listen various jokes from individuals, so I like to enjoy with groups.
Okay, and did you have a large group of friends during your school?
Yes, of course. When I was in school, I have a very large group of friends, and I can really enjoy with my friends.
And did you like to share your secrets with all of them?
No, sometimes I do not like to share my secret because it is all over privacy.
Alright, so Darshdeep, this is the end of part 1 and now let's move to part 2. Here I would ask you a question about which you need to speak for 2 minutes and there is 1 minute to think about it. So you can even make notes if you want to do so. The topic that you need to speak about is talk about a magazine article. Shall we start, Rashdeep?
Yes.
Yes.
Today I would like to talk about a magazine that I was read on internet. It is all about on the junk food and when my school was organized a competition related to read an article in school. I read about the junk food through internet and I read all over the article. In article they gave me a fully detailed about junk food, how it damage to our body and what are the precautions that can be taken by the individuals. And first of all, the junk food is very dangerous food because the junk food is directly harmful to our immune system and it weaken our immune system as well, and moreover it creates a laziness in our body, and there are various precautions that can be taken by the individuals, such as they should eat the healthy food rather than the junk food, because healthy food help us to maintain our body as well as our immune system also, and it also gave me one of the reasons that why the most of the individuals are prefer to junk food, because it is very cheap and it is very convenient to purchase. And nowadays people do not have a sufficient time to make a food, so that's why most of the individuals are preferred to junk food rather than the healthier food. So
Alright.
this was the article that I was read on internet.
Alright, so time is up now. Please give it back to me. Thank you. So Rashdeep, let's talk about healthy living. What are the most popular ways to keep the body fit?
Well, there are various ways that we can make our body fit. For instance, we can take a healthier food rather than junk food, because it helps us to grow a better immune system and help us to make antioxidant particles in our body.
Do you think most people worry about their health as they get older?
This
Do you feel that older people, they worry more about their health?
Yes, of course, older people are more worried about their health, because it is a time period that people are more care and they take precaution as well related to their health.
How can children be encouraged to adopt a healthy lifestyle? How we can encourage children to adopt a healthy lifestyle?
Well, there are various ways that we can motivate children that they should take a healthier food, and we can also add the taste, because children do not like the taste of their healthy food. So we can add the taste in the food.
And we can see that these days the trend of eating out is increasing. What can be the reason for that? The trend of eating out is increasing. What is the reason?
Well, there are various reasons. First of all, this is a very easy to use method, and nowadays most of the individuals do not enough time to make a food. So that's why this is one of the most prominent reasons that why they like to eat food outside.
Okay. And sometimes we see that people know about the bad consequences of eating junk food. Still, they continue eating that.
because they ignore their harmful reason, and they know about their portion, and after that they continue to their junk food.
Is it positive or negative in your view?
According to my perspective, it is very negative because junk food is not a healthier food. It is very harmful to our body.
Alright, so this is the end of your speaking test. You may leave now. Thanks for coming. Just take this video. Thank you.